Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohinder Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. We will discuss about the subject tourism and hospitality. Under this, the main paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparations and tour package design. Module 7, functions of travel agency. Let us start from learning outcomes. After completing this module, students will be able to understand first various functions of travel agency, introduction of the topic. In the previous modules, you have learned about the meaning, concept, definition, types and linkages of travel agency and tour operation business. It is clear that a travel agency works as retailer as well as wholesaler. In fact, due to the structure of tourism industry, a travel agency or tour operator performs multi-functions. It has to deal with various sectors or subsectors of tourism and hospitality industry. Therefore, for smooth functioning, it must perform various functions like travel information, destination development, tour planning, fam tour, airlines ticketing, accommodation, booking, tour costing and pricing, tour marketing. In this module, an attempt has been made to appraise you about the functions performed by the travel agencies in tourism industry. Now, let us start with the functions of travel agency and tour operators. Let us discuss the meaning of travel agency. Travel agency is responsible for organizing travel services. In fact, travel agency is a travel consultant and travel organizer for the tourist. At the same time, it provides linkages to the suppliers of travel services with the tourist travelers. Hence, we can say that a travel agency is like a retail store. The uniqueness being that it acts on behalf of both the travel suppliers as well as the tourists. For example, a tourist visits a travel agency to meet his travel demands. The travel agency makes a reservation for accommodation, book air tickets, book railway tickets, makes arrangement for his or her pickup from the airport to hotels and vice versa and so on. It appears that at the surface it is only the tourist who is being catered to or looked after by the travel agency. On the other hand, a travel agency has also served the airline by booking the seat or the hotel, by booking the room and other reservation for the tourists. Interestingly, in all these, a travel agency has provided business to the different suppliers of tourism services while serving the tourist at the same time. This demonstrates the importance of the travel agency business, whose role is growing more and more in the modern world. Not every traveler has the energy or time to organize all travel arrangements. The suppliers too do not have the reach to every prospective customers. Hence, the travel agency plays a vital role between the tourists and the traveler. suppliers. Thus, a travel agency is an organized form company which makes arrangements on behalf of the tourists and maintains best coordination between travel vendors and tourists. Let us discuss the various functions of travel agencies. Recently, there was a drop in individual booking of air and rail tickets in the travel agencies, so that agencies focusing on package tour performed better than classical agencies with a high percentage of air and rail ticket. The agencies specializing in package tours have witnessed, in particular, a thriving tourism business. A very fast growing range of choices in the cruise segments requires intensive consultancy. Travel agencies can here exploit their expertise to perform the function, individual advice and special product knowledge. Business travel agencies also witnessed a positive development, with sales revenue growing between 5 and 10%. Unlike the tourism business, the business travel segment cannot do without air and rail sales. On the other hand, online travel agencies with a comprehensive natural product range saw their percentage growth leveling off with that of high street distribution channels. The growth rate has been just under 7%, thereby slackening for the second time in a row. Today, travel agencies are and will remain the most important distribution channel in tourism industry. The functions of ticketing, itinerary preparation, hotel reservation, selling, marketing tours, negotiation with vendors, etc. are becoming important functions of modern travel agencies. The function performed by a travel agency depend upon the scope, size of activities and the location. The following are the major functions performed by the travel agency. First, travel related information. This is the first and foremost function of a travel agency. The provision of information has become vital aspect of the travel agency business. It makes the difference between a travel agency with others. The information is provided to the tourists at suitable location, where the intending tourist may ask certain questions and seek clarification about the proposed travel services. This is a very professional and specialized job a travel agency performed, and the person behind the counter should be specialist, having excellent knowledge of various travel alternate plans. He should be a position in to give up the date, reliable, accurate information regarding various services and general information about travel, etc. The presentation to the potential customers must be forceful and exciting. Variations must continuously be devised to help these clients. Thus, good travel agency is something of a personal counselor who knows all the details about the travel and also the needs, desires, wants and interests of the intending travelers. We know that communication plays a key role in dissemination of any type of information in any business. This is equally true in case of dissemination of travel information. Therefore, the employees on the travel counter should be able to communicate with the tourist in his or her language. Moreover, the knowledge of foreign language is an essential prerequisite for personal working in a travel agency. Further, travel agency employees are required to have a wide knowledge of the world geography, especially popular travel destinations. When a tourist is planning a leisure vacation, a travel agent can suggest locations that fit your travel wants and needs. For business travelers, travel agents can offer knowledge about locations for meetings and conferences, and also suggest must do some activities for leisure time. Additionally, a good travel agent can inform you about local laws, customs, rituals, climate, travel documentations, and travel advisory that concern your destinations. Thus, travel agents must constantly increase and refresh their knowledge through attending trade shows and workshops and taking trips to different destinations with different locals, destinations and other service providers, etc. Next function, liaison with providers of services. Today, competition has forced the travel agencies to seek linkages or integrations with other corporate houses to secure efficient and quality services. In fact, liaison with vendors plays significant role in attracting and selling travel-related services. The entire success of your business lies on services offered and delivered by the service providers. Thus, it has become essential before any form of travel product can be sold to the customers. Contacts have to be entered into with the providers of various services such as transportation companies, hotel proprietors, the providers of surface transportation like motor cars or coaches for transport to from hotels and for sightseeing, etc. This work is carried out usually in small and medium sized travel agency by the owners or senior employees of the agency concerned. However, in the case of large scale travel agency having worldwide branches, the liaison work involves a great deal of coordination with the principal suppliers by the senior employees. Moreover, good liaison helps the travel agency to fix the cost as well as agency's profit margin vis-a-vis standard quality of services. Now, let us discuss the third function, identifications on the profile of target market. First of all, the travel agency has to select a particular market segment he wants to cater to, because possibly one cannot serve all kinds of clients effectively. Once a particular market segment or more than one segment is or selected, he has to prepare their profile, that is age, sex, income, education, social groups they belong to, because ultimately their preferences for destination, transport and accommodation and purchasing power depend upon these factors. Moreover, a travel agency has to maintain a record about clients' travel preferences. It's helpful to use a database to attract information about clients' preferences such as transport, seat and hotel, smoking versus non-smoking preferences, as well as frequent flyers, numbers, hotel amenities, needs and other factors. You can refer back to so that you can provide a customized travel experience every time. On the other hand, a successful travel agency must researching travel destinations regardless of whether you are visited a particular destination or not. You will need to keep up with the changes, both good and bad, attractions and innovations in the most popular tourist areas, as well as explore the new ones your client need or desire. Of course, the internet has made the process of researching both clients and ground operators easily. Now, next function, negotiation for services with principals. Once the itinerary is prepared, the principal, hoteliers, transport operators, companies, etc., are approached whether they can provide the services in bulk at possible rates and what terms and conditions. This is a very important phase as the profitability of the tour operator depends to a large extent on it. If he is able to negotiate effectively, he will secure quality services at heavily discounted prices and earn more money. Next function, preparation of tour itinerary. Tour package is a composite product of tourism industry. A tour itinerary is an important element of a tour package. A tour itinerary is developed or designed to provide complete information from starting point to end points. A tourist itinerary is a composite of a series of operations that are a result of the study of the market. In fact, a tourist journey is characterized by using the various means of transportation to link one locally with another, accommodations, food, local sightseeings and guiding services. Thus, preparation of a tour itinerary is important function of a travel agency. Preparation of a tour itinerary requires a lot of skills and knowledge, know-how. Beside techniques, a travel agency gives advice to interested travelers on the type of programs which they may choose for their holiday or business travel. Thus, preparation of a tour itinerary is the understanding of the itineraries call for a perfect organization and administrative as well as knowledgeable of the desire of the public for a holiday and the propensity to receive tourists by the receiving locations. Next function, airline ticketing. Airline ticketing is another vital function of a travel agency in tourism industry. In fact, selling airline ticket to clients using different modes of transportation like air, rail and sea is yet another important function of a travel agency. An airline ticket is defined as a ticket or document issued by an airline or a travel agency on behalf of airlines to confirm that an individual has purchased a seat of a specific flight of a specific aircraft. This document is then used to obtain a boarding pass at the airport, many small scale travel agencies are satisfying with selling airlines tickets. The major revenue structure of a travel agency is commission received from airlines. Presently, due to drastic changes in international airlines as well as the domestic local airlines schedules and addition of new flights from time to time makes the job of the travel agency more challenging. Thus, up-to-date information about various schedules of airlines is very essentially for the success of a travel agency. In the recent years, computer reservation system like CRS has rather revolutionized the reservation system for air seats. Many large-scale travel agencies are using this system. This system computerized network that can be used by the travel agency to reserve an air or rail accommodation as also accommodation in the hotel through a wide network. Confirmations of reservation are available in a matter of seconds. Moreover, information technology has become significant to issue an airline ticket and also mail this on the mobile of the clients. Next function, documentation and foreign exchange procedure. If the tour package crossing frontiers, the tour operator like a travel agent, the process of documentation like passport, visa, permits are required. Also need to arrange foreign currency on behalf of the tourist. Apart from this, some tour operators get all their clients insured for the period of their package. Passport valid for at least 6 months from your travel date. Air ticket confirmed, return air ticket should be there. A one-way air ticket will be accepted only for students or working professionals. Students visa or work visa as well as dependents of the working professionals visa, valid visa for the country you are visiting. You will also require a transit visa if you are transiting for more than 12 hours. Please check transit visa rules for the country of transit. In international travel, a tour requires foreign currency to be arranged by the travel agency. Thus, arrangement of foreign currency to intending travelers is another specialized activity of a travel agency. Some of the larger travel agencies deal exclusively in the provision of foreign currency. Travelers check like Thomas Cook, there is no trade that can take place without the presence of forex. The conversion of one country's currency into another, whether it is for import and export travel or purely for trading, foreign exchange is necessary. Foreign exchange can be purchased from authorized dealers like categorized 1 banks and AD category full flash money changers are also permitted to release exchange for business and private visitors. In today's world, people frequent foreign countries either for work purpose or leisure. Available foreign exchange abroad may not be an easy task. Searching for the right place to get a currency exchange can be hurdle. This is an important facility extended by the travel intending travelers, as it saves them a lot of time and money, energy also. Next function, reservation and booking. Today, tourists are becoming more educated and sophisticated and demanding all products at their door. Reservation and booking of accommodation has become vital function of a travel agency. A travel agency maintained a close tie with hoteliers for timely booking and reservation of room for clients. Thus, one of the most important function of a travel agency is booking accommodation, car rental, flights, cruise, trains, buses and tours for clients. Travel agency has an access to direct inventory for many hotels and travel arrangements, giving clients different options that client may have missed by searching for their self online. A travel agency may also be responsible for rebooking or making alternative travel arrangements due to unforeseen circumstances in the event of bad weather. For example, a call to your travel agent may be more helpful or at least less stressful than standing in the line at a ticket counter waiting to be rebooked. Next function, travel insurance. Today, travel insurance both for personal accident, risk and to baggage is yet another important function of a travel agency. Some of the larger travel agencies maintain sizable department aimed at assisting the travelers to transport personal effects and baggage to any part of the world with a minimum of inconvenience. There are numerous insurance policies focusing on travel insurance such as tour interruption policy, baggage loss policy and so forth. Travel insurance is proposed to cover medical expenses, trip cancellations, trip interruption, lost luggage, flight accident and other losses incurred while traveling either internationally or domestically. This will extend coverage for cancellation of a trip for specific unforeseen covered reasons. Commonly, travel insurance plans will cover a reason such as the unexpected illness or injury of you and or a traveling companion that deems you unfit to travel by order of illness physically. Moreover, trip cancellation insurance covers client for the period of time before he/she travels. It reimburses client for any prepaid non-refundable expenses such as airline tickets or hotel rooms that client cannot use because client had to cancel this trip. Trip cancellation insurance generally kicks in if the cancellation is due to an unforeseen accident, illness or other specified event that affects you, a close family member or your traveling companions. On the other hand, trip cancellation interruption insurance covers you during your trip. If an injury, illness or other event prevents you from continuing a trip you have started, trip interruptions coverage will reimburses you for expenses you incurred because of it, Some policies also reimburse you for any unused prepaid expenses. Thus, travel agency makes an arrangement of different types of travel insurance policies from insurance companies on behalf of tourists, and in return the travel agencies get commission from the insurance companies. Next function, meeting and incentive planning. Recently, due to the rapid growth in industry, the MICE sector has gained a momentum and has become a lucrative segment for the travel agencies. Most of the travel agencies have diversified their product line to this young marketing segment. Today, the businesses organize different events is one of the highest yielding inbound tourism segment in India. Travel agency, meeting planners organize and manage all aspects of meetings and events, including conventions, conferences, incentives, seminars, workshops, symposia, exhibitions, and special events for the business houses. Meeting and incentive planners use a wide variety of venues, tour operators, accommodation, team building companies and restaurants. They look for unique travel experience and require different support and facilities to leisure tourists. Today, meeting and incentives planners are also known as professional conference organizers, destination management companies, conference managers, event managers, incentive houses, travel fulfillment companies, and special project managers. Now, next function, preparations of tour package. A tour package includes transportation, accommodation, entertainment facilities. The package is prepared keeping in view the preferences of target market regarding transportation, accommodation, sightseeing, entertainment, and other facilities. Time and money at the disposal of the tourists. The first step in formulation of package is itinerary preparation, which is the preliminary form of the package itself. There are different components of a tour package which are sequentially arranged by the travel agency for both FITs and GITs. Next question, function, costing and pricing of tour package. After negotiation with vendors, the costing of the tour is done. First, the cost for the full tour is done. Some extra cost is added for unforeseen contingencies. Then occupancy rate is estimated, and then the cost for per head is calculated. Some contributions towards the administrative expenses and fixed cost is also taken care of. The cost per head refers to the cost the tour operators has to bear for that package. For pricing, he has to add a certain amount of profit to it. The amount of profit depends upon the operator's objectives and pricing policy he has adopted. The costing and pricing a tour package is intensely interesting and at the same time challenging. The job calls for a great deal of initiatives and drive. Paradoxically, many of those who do this type of job visit comparatively few of the places, including in the itineraries prepared. Many agencies with the corporations of airlines and other transportation companies take the opportunities of arranging educational tours for such staff to countries with which they deal. Thus, travel agency prepares a cost sheet for determination of cost per pax and total cost of a product. Once the cost of a product is clear, the travel agency goes for fixation of price of the product. Next function, tour package promotion. Once your tour package is ready, the next task is to promote your product in the market. In other words, to reach more and more clients, you need to use different promotional tools and techniques. Moreover, once the tour package is formulated and priced, it is ready for sales. However, prior to that, it needs to be promoted so that the targeted tourists may come to know about it and are motivated to purchase the package. Despite increasing competitiveness in the tourism marketplace, a travel agency does not have to dump money into marketing and advertising efforts. The key is to creatively use different promotional mix to engage your audience and generate more bookings each season. While the customer's experience should always be a priority to generate the all too worthy word of mouth marketing, there are several ways to present your travel agency in the best possible way online and encourage customers to buy your product. There are different methods with the help of which the packages are promoted: advertising, personal selling, public relations, publicity and sales promotions, etc. Fam tours are fast becoming a favorite of tour operators as a promotional tool. Next function, actual operation of a tour package. The final and perhaps the most important function of a tour operator is to execute the tour he has sold. He has to ensure that all the facilities which had been promised by the principals and in return which he promised to the tourist are actually provided to the tourist. Usually a tour escort accompanies the tours which looks after the tourists. Guides and interpretations are also sent along with the tourists whenever necessary. Let us discuss the summary of this module. The formal structure of a travel agency should specifically the role that each member in the organization plays and how each role related to others through a reporting and decision making communication network. This network will support the agency's goals and functions and give each member an understanding of his or her responsibility toward achieving those goals and performing functions. The functions of travel agency have changed many times to cope with the industry. In fact, there is no differences between large scale and small scale travel agency, as all perform the above discussed functions in order to meet diverse needs of the tourist. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala.